that we are one people. We are not a gathering of tribes in Kenya. We are a nation and we are building a country. We should therefore see each other or see ourselves in each other. The challenges that people face in Kericho are the same challenges people face in Nyamira, in Nyeri, in Nakuru, in everywhere in the country. So we cannot be foolish enough to listen to these stories of dividing us as a people. Let's keep together and let us focus on the goal of fixing the challenges of our country so that we can be a better, prosperous, modern nation that God has destined us to be, as it were. So, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much, everyone, all of you, national coordinators, the leaders of Minnesota, all of you wonderful people who have made the sacrifices to be here. I appreciate your contribution beyond my words can express. I sincerely thank you. I know that you didn't have to do this. You are doing this because you want to join in the team of making our country better. And I promise you, both today, tomorrow and always, I promise you, you can count on me. I will keep my words, and may God bless you.